You want to make money online. You've watched thousands of videos on YouTube but you still haven't made a cent. This is a big problem because you are on YouTube wasting your own data looking for a way to make money online. But here are the good news. To every problem, we need a solution, and in this problem, I'll be your solution. If you've watched my videos over the past year, you have seen that I was also showing you how to make money online. But some of you are still struggling to find apps and websites to make money online. So I said I'm going to be your solution. Your question might be, how do I plan on doing this? I will basically be going and watching creators' videos and then linking the video in the description down below and then giving my comments to whether or not the video is reliable, the apps in the video are reliable, whether they can make enough money to actually sustain you and actually to make you enough money to enjoy life. We will also be looking at the kind of words the creator uses in the video. For example, if he says, "This is a great way to make money, guys," and I will actually be testifying whether that is true or not. If he says it's a great way to make money, if he's wrong, I am going to tell you in the video, no, this is a bad app to make money. So how is this going to benefit you? This will benefit you by saving you enough time to make sure you don't have to go through the process of installing the app, downloading the app, going into the app, trying out the apps. Basically, for example, there was an app, Current, listening to music. So basically you had to listen to music for an hour or 30 minutes a day and make money. So that was the kind of apps which you have to know if they're reliable or not, because you won't be out there wasting your time, literally taking out 30 minutes out of your day every single day trying to make money from an app, only to find out that you didn't make money from that app. So my motive is to make sure that your time doesn't get wasted and your time gets spent on apps that really do work. And so your question might be,
so Dala, you will be exposing the creators that will be making fake videos?
My answer to that is no, because I will only be trying out the app and then recommending the app to you or not. Then I will be giving my opinion whether or not I think the creator was just making the video so he or she can make ad revenue, or if the creator was making the video to actually help us make money online. So you might be asking yourself, why do creators make videos on apps that don't work? Well, that's a simple answer, guys. That's because creators will have run out of video ideas from apps that really do work, or they just don't want to go search for apps that really do work, because it is hard actually. They don't want to go search for apps that really do work, and they resort to apps that actually don't work just for the sake of making a video, and that way they still make money off YouTube ad revenue. My motive is not to go look for apps to make money, but my motive is to go look for apps that really work and credit the creators who help us make money. At the end of the day, we all want to go home with a smile on our face, happy that we have made a few $100s. I hope you all will love this new way which I'll be using, because it will solve problems and you won't have to go around wasting your own data looking for apps that don't work, but you will actually get the apps which really work, and I will actually be crediting these creators. Basically, it's a win-win situation. So what's the new upload schedule, you may ask? I'm sticking to the old upload schedule, which is Tuesday and Friday, but sometimes I will be only uploading once because I have school. So in those instances, I will upload only once, and that will be on a Wednesday. Until next time, it's your boy here, Dollar Vlogs, signing out. Peace.